In this video, I will show you how to set Mozilla Firefox as default browser in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on my Windows 11 desktop. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click to open up your settings. If you don't see your settings here, just come up to the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you've got your settings window opened, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto apps. On the apps window, you're going to see an option called default apps. Go ahead and give that a click. And then what you can do is use the search box here and just go ahead and type Firefox to bring up Mozilla Firefox. Once the apps come up, go ahead and give it a click. And once you've done that, you're going to notice at the very top there's an option to make Firefox your default browser. So all you need to do is click the set default button, just like so. And what it's going to do is make Firefox your default browser. Now, what you can also do is scroll through these different options because there's a few that you're going to have to change manually to open specific files such as PDF files, SVG, and so on and so forth. So to change any of these, just click onto the appropriate file or extension. So for example, PDF, if we give this a click, and all you need to do is select Firefox from the list and then click set default at the bottom. And all you need to do is just go through and repeat this process for all the different file types. And that is how to set Mozilla Firefox as default browser in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.